good to see you finally awake. I have here your release papers, your new prescriptions, and your bill.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry, this is my bill?
Yes, that's correct.
This is too much. I can't pay.
I see. Just wait right here.
There's my favorite car crash survivor. So, word is you're not paying your medical bill.
Well, I don't,
You wouldn't mind if we checked your bank information, would you? Oh, I see what you mean. That is unfortunate.
Is this bad? What do I do now?
No, you don't need to do anything now. We'll handle it from here. You just wait right there and hold very still. Looks like he has a getaway driver. Somebody, better do something about that.
I see him! Oh no, these are the parking tickets. I'm gonna pay them, I promise.
We're gonna lose him, all right? Hurry up.
Somebody kill him already!
Is it because of jury duty? I thought no one would notice.
This guy drives like crazy! Everybody, be careful! The shoulder here, get away!
Pull over immediately!
Hey, who's in there? You have to stop the car. Better stop.
Right now!
I see him!
Don't
Oh, you're dead.
I'm on it.
don't let him out of your sight!
This is the National Guard. Surrender now, or we will use lethal force.
I see a weapon!